everyone. So it's been a little while since I've made a video, guys. I've been suffering with a few migraines, which I do get sometimes, but I am feeling better. So some exciting news. When I announced the DT members, there was actually one more DT member who was joining the team. But unfortunately, they had some sad news and just lots of different things were going on. And so I kind of didn't touch base with that person. And so I've finally been able to talk, and I can now announce that the 6th DT member is Bex from Bex's Crafts. Yeah, I'm so excited, guys. I am so excited to have Bex join our team. She is a lovely crafter, just like the other ladies that we have. She has a lovely channel. I will link it in the description below. And she's already told me she's so happy to join the team. I've already sent her out a box. I know it's coming to the end of the month, but I've sent her out a January box. So I'm excited to see what she makes. And yeah, super excited, guys. Lots going on for Cheryl Simone Crafts. It's been a kind of challenging week for me because of the migraines. I've had a lot of new stock delivered, so it's very exciting. If you have I'm going to put a picture in here where you'll be able to see just the delivery that I've had come in. There were a few problems with this, guys, because the delivery driver actually delivered someone else's parcels as well. So I had that to deal with, trying to track down the actual delivery people to come back and actually pick up that delivery. You wouldn't guess how tricky that can be, how challenging that can be, actually. But yeah, so we've got that sorted and the parcels are on their way to their owners. But also I've got to process all these new lovely stock, and they should be going onto the website this week, so please look out for them. I've got a sneak peek coming up in the next video of the new stock. I don't want this video to be too long. What else is there to tell you? Lots of news. Yeah. Oh, and at the moment Cheryl Simone Crafts is having its January sale, so that's exciting. Don't forget to nip over and just have a look if that's something you'll be interested in. I've also got some upcoming haul videos for you guys, just a few bits that I've bought from AliExpress, and I actually made a purchase from Tonic in there. I think it was from the beginning of January, maybe. Just part of my Christmas, really, because I've got some money for Christmas and I purchased some bits from there. So I wanted to show you, but it hasn't arrived yet. But they have emailed me to tell me that it's on its way. So as soon as that comes, I'll be showing you what I got. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for the new subscribers. I've had quite a few new subscribers. Hello, everyone. And I'm just super excited for upcoming videos. And don't forget, yeah, I'm taking part in the Christmas collab. I've also, which I'm taking part in Gigi's Kawaii challenge, and I know there's a lot more challenges going on, guys, so stay tuned for those. So thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.